And in this particular video, I'll be talking about the Interlink, which a lot of some people have actually got the verification, and some actually not gotten the verification. Let me quickly show you a particular notification I received. Don't forget to like, share, click on the notification so you get to upload another new video like this. So you can see I just received a particular email. It say your verification slot is ready. Complete it within 24 hours. Your verification slot is now available. Complete your submission within 24 hours. So I need to complete it within the next 24 hours. So there was something that a particular person dropped in my WhatsApp community, which I actually test out. And I think it is working. If you're able to follow this particular procedure, you'll be able to get your own verification ASAP. So it's possible I share it in this particular video. So let me quickly check if my verification has been sent. So like what I said, don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification to notify and to upload any other new video. And if you want to join my WhatsApp community, I'll be dropping the link in the description of this particular video. So I'll be mining consistently, in fact, including my group mining and my mining, and that's how helped me to gather this particular amount of Interlink token. So let me come to this particular verification side. So I will have to tap on it. You could see to show you that I'm very active. You can see my group mining. I have 100 over 100. So in my daily mining is 84 .887. And don't forget that you need to increase your woman credit score. So if I'm to show you my woman credit score here, which is also one of the most important thing you need to do, because the more punctual you are in mining, the more credit score you have, and that is also will determine the number of Interlink you will get when anytime that we are to get our Interlink. You see I'm currently at 3.64, but this is not where we are actually going to. Let me go to my verification, but during my verification we will still have to come to this. They'll still have to come to migration aspect, because the verification is in two phases. So let me tap on this verified now. It has add. So now you could see it now that is already counting. That means you can see 24. I have 24 hours, 22 hours, 24 minutes and some seconds is counting. And if you can see now, it has told me that I have to upload my documents. You say once at least 3 verification is completed, you will be verified in this phase. So let me quickly upload my documents now. So this is how it looks like now. I have to select my country, my document type, the front, the back. For this one, I'll be using my plastic N9, and for this particular one, I'll not be using my international platform passport. Let me use my hand plastic one, because I've actually done that one. My country, Nigeria, then documents type. I will actually use national ID card. Let me pick national ID card. Let me quickly snap and upload them. So I've actually submitted my documents now. So you can see it says verification in processes. It says verification around is still in round one. So I will have to wait for them to actually check my verification if it is actually successful. So now you could see now it is saying document in review. So I'll be getting another video shortly now to tell you what I was able to do different that actually got me this particular verification invitation as fast as possible. Don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so you get notified to upload another new video. Thank you and bye bye for now.